In this video, I will be showing you how I made our old family van kind of like new by spraying the hubcaps and adding a couple color accents and some fun eyelashes, as well as doing the windshield wiper and the inside. The first step was to get some garbage bags and to tape them to our van with blue tape. Then I started to spray, and be careful, don't get too close or you'll get some drips. But you'll get good at it after a while. Looks good, right?
For some reason, the tires look more inflatinated.
Inflatinated?
Yes.
I like that word.
Inflatinated.
Then I used some blue tape to contain the rims. I put some tissue paper in the holes, which I took out afterwards so that the paint wouldn't get all inside of the wheels. I put on the cover to the air, and then I sprayed away. Then I removed my blue tape, and you can see my edges were not the best, so then I sprayed some paint onto some aluminum foil and used a paintbrush, but you can also use a Q-tip, and then I tried to touch up the areas. So the more precise you are with your blue tape, the easier it will be for you, that you won't have to do touch-ups. I also covered up the car and sprayed the windshield wiper. Now when you do the windshield wiper, you have to make sure that the actual rubber portion is covered up with blue tape, and then you can spray it safely. And then I also sprayed the back windshield wiper as well, and that's how it turned out. So cute. I also sprayed the buttons, little accent colors. Don't spray too close, as I did there. I had a bumper sticker that I couldn't get off, so I taped it up and I sprayed it, and then I got some black tape just to make a cute little frame around it, and some Sharpie, and that's how that turned out. I had a hole at the corner of my door frame, so I filled it with this high performance spackle paste, which was really strong and easy to work with. I let it dry, I sanded it, I used my sander, I filled it up some more, let it dry some more. Then I sprayed it with some Rust-Oleum white spray paint to seal it, and it came out excellent. And then I blue taped some of the parts in the car that I wanted to have purple, and I used a paintbrush and I sprayed it onto the aluminum foil and then painted those portions. Keep in mind that I painted it with the blue tape on, and then I took the blue tape off and it came out great. I also painted the frame to my license plate. Then I made a mixture of vinegar, baking soda, and white toothpaste, and I cleaned my headlights. It will go on kind of whitish. You let it dry, and then I cleaned it off with some vinegar and water, as you can see here. And then I put on these cute eyelashes, and I curled it with a pencil. And then for the bottom eyelashes, I used some black electrical tape, and I just cut off pieces relatively the same width and size, and I just cut it at an angle, and I just put it on one by one. I also outlined the eye with the electrical tape on the bottom and on the sides. And it came out so cute. I highly recommend this. And then I got a sticker and used it for the back. That held up well. I tried to make some smaller stickers with paper and using some tape over it. That did not last as long as I would have liked it to, but the actual sticker worked well. I wanted to show you my favorite rear view mirror. It's by Peekaboo, and it's very easy to use. You just clip it onto your other rear view mirror, and it's really great because then you can see everybody in the car as well as see through all your windows. It's after midnight and it's mostly done. I gotta do some touch-ups. So you want to see it?
Wow, they look so nice.
I'm so excited.
You excited, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Surprise!
Wow! 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 Whoa! Wow! You made it. You made it silver.
Wow! Oh, they look fantastic.
You know, I had to do something on the inside because otherwise it looked like we're in the old car.
Right.
So I like the middle part a lot.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Looks gadgety,
It's
yeah?
beautiful and yes, gadgety. I love it. This is amazing.
I really love how it turned out. If you are a parent and you have kids, you know you are driving all the time. And this just made it so much more fun to be driving the kids everywhere. And it made everybody smile. And it was just a joy to drive. I highly recommend this project if you have an old car that you would like to add a little color to liven it up a bit. Keep in mind that you need at least 2 to 3 days that you are not driving your car because you need to have the paint dry, and if you drive it too soon, then dirt could get on the paint.
Ah, so nice. Looks really good. It's really awesome.
I think that it is out of this world. It makes me incredibly happy every day.
Aww, that's cute.
It's epic.
You like yourself? Should I do that face? Ooh. See if it looks like you. Ooh, it looks like you.
It's amazing.
Well, I'm missing the dance. Nice. Okay, that was worth it.
I love it. This is amazing.
Yeah. Since I drive so much, then now it's like more fun.
Yeah.
Now I'm going into
now you
like
have a reason to want to get out on the road.
now I'm like in the magical mobile. I hope this video inspires you to be creative in your life and to add a little color and personality to your car. Blessings to you and your family. Take care. And until next time, make today beautiful.